Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby, and in this video I'm going to show you today how you are going to assemble your Halloween folio kit, which is available in my Etsy shop because Halloween is very near, and I hope that you will enjoy it. First of all, let me explain that this kit is coming with this beautiful mini folio. As you can see, this is the back. There are a lot of embellishments, and also there are guides where you should fold the whole thing, as you can see here. Let me show you. This is the face. Why I'm putting the name face? Because you are going to glue those things together, those pieces together, and those are the pockets in which you will use them for a lot of embellishments that I said. Those are embellishments that are coming with the kit. As you can see, they're very colorful, very beautiful. I'm very glad especially how this beautiful man and this beautiful girl came up. I mean, it was a sudden idea. Also, this here is part of the Halloween folio kit. So you will receive PDF with four, as you can see, there are four papers that you can use whatever you like. And let me just cut out all of these pieces together, and I will show you how to assemble this beautiful Halloween folio kit. Okay, so I'm ready and I cut everything out. As you can see, I still didn't score the tops, and there are all the embellishments that I cut out. They look very gorgeous actually. I'm very happy of the result. They're very beautiful. Okay, let me just score the both sizes, as you can see, of the Halloween folio. And how to find it's very easy. You're going to fold it in 100%, but I'm going to make it like this. Let me just remove it and make it more precise. Okay. Okay, so this one is ready. And this one is ready. Okay, let me just put them aside and take the pockets to score them. My tip here for folding is to put those two left and right tabs below this one. I think it's much easier because this one is covering the both of them. And remove this big scoring board and put aside. Let me just see where I should put it. Okay. Going to use glue to glue the back and the face. Usually I like to put a lot of glue. But this time I should be careful. Because it is very delicate work. So I already glue the back and of course the front, and I'm going to make the pockets. Let me just put some ink here and distress it. And I'm going to do the tabs. I'm sorry, my cat is, she wants to go outside. That's why she is making such noises. I'm sorry. She's very funny. Okay. Just put it a little more aside, like this, so when I close it, it won't have a problem. It's going to be like that. Okay. And let me glue the other pocket. Let me check something. Yes, okay, it's fine. Put something here. Probably here, or I don't know, here. So it is done, guys. It was very fun to do it. I hope that this one you can put it after you close it, you know, with small, it could be like embellishment, or I can put it actually here. I like it. Let me just put another one. Oops. Looking cool. Yes, oh yeah, it is very beautiful like this. And as you can see, it is ready. I'm very happy with the result. Let me just show you the back. There it is. So, oh, I'm sorry. Yes, I hope you enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. Bye bye.